my very first luxury bag unboxing. Hi, my name is Aon and this is my BagLove story. In today's episode, I would like to share with you my very first luxury bag unboxing. Let's welcome Victoria to join us with the unboxing. So this video is not sponsored. I would like to share with you this very cute find, kawaii find that I found, and I will be happy to link them in my description box below. This brand is called the Dupe Arts and Miniatures. Let's now start with the unboxing. Some receipts right there, and this is how to store and to take care of the bag. They have other bags in their collection. So this is the bag, so cute. This is Louis Vuitton on the go, but for my Barbie. This is a miniature. Also came with this box and the paper bag. Let's open them one by one. And it also came with some freebie. I'll just open them all one by one for you. So first, let's start with this very cute bag. It is very cute and very detailed. Let's open. Let's see. I may not have a Louis Vuitton in my collection, but at least my doll will have her own Louis Vuitton bag. This is on the go. This is the front. This is the side. This is the back. And this is the other side. This is the bottom. See, it's very detailed and very professionally made. If you look closely at the handles, and they came with this small detail right there, the hardware. Even the logos on the handles are very detailed. You can see some hardware on those edges, and this is what the other side looks like. It also has this long strap. I'm not sure if the real On-The-Go does have this. Very nice. On the inside is a fabric, red fabric. I can also use this. I can put things right here if I want to, but this will be for my Barbie. So nice. Even the stitchings, they all look nice and clean, neat and clean, professionally done, handcrafted. So nice. Now Victoria has an LV bag. Let's see the box that came with it. I know you can only order the bag if you just want the bag, but I wanted to have the box as well. So this is the box, and came with the actual box, LV box, with the ribbon. So nice. It's like opening a real Louis Vuitton bag. So this is the box. Oh, it also came with a dust bag. How cute is that? A dust bag. And also, see, that's the receipt. How small is that? So detailed. The invoice. You can see. So nice. There. And the receipts. I now have my own Louis Vuitton bag with the packaging as well. Thank you, the freebies that they gave me. So cute. This is so very cute. Small items. So I have here a small magazine, an aloe vera facial wash, Dove soap, a small lotion, SPF lotion. Thank you for the freebie, Delific. I'm so happy and excited to use them. Let's put the freebies inside the bag. see if it fits, if everything fits inside the bag. Let's put it inside, and the soap. So there. So things inside her bag. I'm so very happy about this unboxing. This is a very, very nice unboxing. I'm so happy to have found this brand, Delific. I now have my very own, my very first luxury bag, the Louis Vuitton On The Go in miniature. So this is my bag, my very first luxury item, my very first luxury bag from Louis Vuitton in miniature. I'm very happy to link this brand, Delific, in my description box below in case you're interested in getting the same very, very cute and very lovely, glamorous bag from them for your Barbie. So if you love beautiful yet affordable bags, it may be simple and classy, glamorous pink and girly, and some fun cute kawaii finds. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell. What can you say about my very first luxury bag unboxing? Did you enjoy it? What can you say about my on-the-go Louis Vuitton bag in miniature? Please do put your comments on my comments section below, and I'm very happy and excited to chat with you. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time!